me, but I want your will to be done, not my will. Amen. And God's will was for him to die on the cross. But God did not leave him just like that. To make him the situation up in Jesus did not change. He still died on the cross, he was still beaten, he was still betrayed. No give up when he went to Amen. But the situation did not change. But he had to change. Amen. But Akumila Beyond. So let's say now the second Corinthians chapter 12. This I will go 7 to verse 9.
From being puffed up with pride because of the many wonderful things I saw, I was given a painful physical ailment, which acts as Satan's messenger to beat me and keep me from being proud. 3 times I prayed to the Lord about this and asked him to take it away. But his answer was, my grace is sufficient for you. For my power is greatest when you are weak. I am almost tempted then to be proud of my weakness, in order to feel the protection of Christ's power over me.
Amen. So now Paul has been given the thorn in the flesh. It says the messenger from Satan to torment him. Amen. So we are telling us that I think another 7 which is what we have been praying. So maybe I'm supposed to pray 3 times for So what would I pray? I remember please remove this thorn away from me. But like 3 times he said no. Maybe what time maybe this thing and that thing goes away. But it did not happen. Amen. But Ukulu comes with an answer. Then he says, my grace is sufficient for you. My power is made perfect in weakness. So meaning when you are weak, it says then when I'm weak, then I'm strong because I'm solely depending on God's power. I'm not depending on anything, on any of my power. Amen. So meaning that there is greatness in God saying no to situations that must change. The greatness is that you are the one who must change. It's your character that must be developed. As well going into the air and the one things about it, like you feel maybe Kulu won't protect you in the things of not protected those. Maybe isn't your sister when I will be in an accident, you do certain things, but you must develop, your character must be strengthened, you must go through that. Amen. That's what it says, go through it. You're not staying there, but go through it, come on the other side and come out stronger. And through the power of God, it is possible. So if you pray for let us be aware of the strength that is in us to conquer. Amen. Which is given power. They have been given authority over everything. Amen. And that authority we are given. We also see with the children of Israel when they are living in Egypt. They don't want to change. Don't want to change. They don't want to change. People lose their hope and this is a new generation because they don't want to change. Amen. So now see that this year let us change, and our change some of it will come from us developing our character, some of it will come from God conquering our situations for us. So we pray for Dlamini.